If you own a business and your business is not online, very soon you might not have a business, said the owner of Microsoft, Bill Gates. Having a website is the first step to take your business online today. Gone are the days of past wherein you had to pay to a web developer and pay them a lot of money and get your website online. Today, anybody can create a website. Even if you're not that comfortable with computers, today you can easily and very quickly create a website. It's just a matter of few clicks today. I am introducing the simplest website development course. If you are a student or if you own a business, you can enroll in this course and you can learn how to create a website very easily. And if you're scared of codes and you're not from this industry, I am going to make it easy for you. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. You must be thinking, who am I and why am I doing all this? I am doing all this because I have a mission to achieve. I am a corporate digital marketing trainer and I have been in this industry for more than 6 years now. I want to create 100,000 experts in next 5 years. Experts like me. I have had some bad experiences in my life and I don't want anybody else to have that experience. Whatever I've learned in the last 6 years, I want to give it to people. Hence I'm doing all this. On top of that, this course is absolutely free. You can enroll to this course now by going to our website Vicky Shah Digital and enroll to the free website creation for beginners course. After completion of the course, there is a small exam that you can take and you can also get certified from Vicky Shah Digital. Well, a free course that is going to help you learn to create a website. What are you waiting for? Let's get started now. If that's not all, I will be coming live once in a week on every Saturday or on Sunday. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me there and we can connect and I can answer your questions and help you out as well. I will be waiting to meet you guys. What are you guys waiting for? Let's get started. Enroll the course right now by clicking on the enroll button after going to my website, vickyshardigital.com.